Hello my dear students, once again I am here. This time we are going to solve the questions of exercise 12.1. We have already finished 3 questions in it, and let us start from question number 4, part 1. Question number 4, part 1 is saying to evaluate 8 to the power minus 1 into 5 to the power 3 upon 2 to the power minus 4. Now first of in all these questions, what you will have to do, you will have to do two things. The first is that where whatsoever is negative exponent, make it positive, and the second is if there is anyone whose prime factorization is possible, to make its prime factors. Okay, so the first thing is that I am making the negative power positive. 2 to the power negative 4 when will go up will become positive. Similarly 8 to the power minus 1 when will come down, it will become positive. So 2 to the power 4 in numerator into 5 to the power 3 and 8 to the power 1 will be in the denominator. Thereafter 8 to the power 3, 8 can be written as 2 to the power 3. So 2 to the power 4, 5 to the power 3, 8 will be written as 2 to the power 3. Now here I will apply the law of exponent, in which when the base is in division, powers will be subtracted. So 2 to the power 4 minus 3 into 5 to the power 3, and then it becomes 2 into 5 to the power 3 is 125, and the whole answer is 250. So this way, this is the solution of part 1 of question number 4. Now the same way we are having question number 4 part 2, 5 to the power minus 1 multiplied by 2 to the power minus 1 multiplied by 6 to the power minus 5 to the power minus 1, 2 to the power minus 1 multiplied by 6 to the power minus 1. So all the negative exponents will be made positive. So it will be 1 by 5 multiplied by 1 by 2 multiplied by 1 by 6. If I will solve the bracket first, so I will get 1 by 10 into 1 by 6, and in the end I will get 1 by 60. So this way, this will be the solution for part second of question number 4. Now let us see question number 5. In question number 5, we are having an equation in which we will have to find the value of unknown. So we will equate the powers. This question can be solved only by equating the powers. What the question is? Find the value of m for which 5 to the power m divided by 5 to the power minus 3 is equals to 5 to the power 5. So we will apply the laws of exponent, and thereafter we will see what can be done. This can be written as 5 to the power m upon 5 to the power minus 3 is equals to 5 to the power 5. So we can make the negative exponent positive by changing its place. It is in denominator. When it will go in numerator, it will become positive. So it will become 5 to the power m into 5 to the power 3 is equals to 5 to the power 5. Now according to the first law, when the base is in multiplication, powers will be added. 5 to the power m plus 3 is equals to 5 to the power 5. Now what I can do, I can compare the powers, because the base are same. Unless the base are not same, we cannot compare the power. But since the base are same, so we can compare the powers. So क्या लिखेंगे? On comparing the powers. On comparing the powers, what I got? M plus 3 is equals to 5. It is a simple equation which you can solve it very easily. So I got m as 2. So this was our question number 5. Let us see question number 6 now. Again you will have to evaluate. Part 1. 1 by 3 to the power minus 1 minus 1 by 4 to the power minus 1 to the whole power minus 1. This you will have to evaluate. Okay. So negative power will be made positive by changing their places. So it will be 3 minus 4 to the power minus 1. 1 by 3 has become 3 by 1, 1 by 4 has become 4 by 1, and upon 1 is need not to be written. And then what I will do, minus 1 to the power minus 1, because 3 minus 4 is minus 1. And then negative power will be made positive by 1 upon minus 1, and 1 upon minus 1 is simply nothing but minus 1, because positive divided by negative will be negative. So this way the answer of this question will be negative 1. Now come to question number second part of it. The second part of it is asking 5 by 8 to the power negative 7 and 8 by 5 to the power negative 4. Now in this question there is a trick. Look, if we will make both of them positive, then the question will go long. Let us do like that also. That way also it is not bad enough. I am making their powers positive, so it will become 8 by 5 to the power 7, and it will become 5 by 8 to the power 4. This is 8 by 5 to the power 7, this is 5 by 8 to the power 4. Thereafter you can divide it separately. 8 to the power 7, 5 to the power 7, 5 to the power 4, 8 to the power 4. Now in division powers will be subtracted. So 8 to the power 7 minus 4, or 5 to the power 4 minus 7, because 7 will go up. So 4 minus 7 it will be. I got 8 to the power 3 and 5 to the power minus 3. And how I can make it positive? By taking it in the denominator. So 8 to the power 3, 5 to the power 3, or I can write it 8 upon 5 to the power. So this way it can be solved. The other way is that just change the power of 1. What is the other way? 8 by 5 to the power 7 and 8 by 5 to the power minus 1. Now you can see the base is same. The base is 8 by 5. So powers will be added. So 8 by 5, 7 plus minus 4. Minus 4 is to be added. So in the end it will be 8 by 5, 7 minus 4, and the same 8 by 5 to the power. So you can do it this way or this way. Both way are correct. Okay. Now let us see question number 7, which is quite an important question for exam point of view and for other point of view also. You will have to be, if you are having perfection in solving question number 7 type of questions, most of the things in exponent and powers are done, then nothing is left. This is the final thing. Let us see. You have solved this type of question in class 7th also, so it is the same, nothing new. Question number 7 part 1. What the question is saying, 25 into t to the power minus 4 upon 5 to the power minus 3 into 10 into t to the power minus 8. So this is the question. The same thing you will have to do. If there is some negative power, make them positive. If there are few numbers whose prime factors is possible, make their prime factors, like 25 and 10. So I will do step by step. I am making the negative powers positive. 25. 5 to the power minus 3 will go up, it will become 5 to the power 3. T to the power minus 8 will go up, it will become t to the power 8. At the denominator, 10 and t to the power 4. T to the power 4 will come down. Okay. Now what I am doing? I am doing the prime factors of 25 and 10. So 25 will be written as 5 to the power 2, 5 to the power 3, t to the power 8. 10 will be written as 5 into 2, and t to the power 4. Now what? Look here, the base is same, base are in multiplication, so powers will be added. Here, the base is same, base are in division, so powers will be subtracted. Okay. So 5 to the power 2 plus 3 into t to the power 8 minus 4 upon 5 into 2. Or you can write it 5 to the power 5 into t to the power 4 upon 5 into 2. Now what else left? That these two are the same base, they are in division, so powers will be subtracted. So I got 5 to the power 5 minus 1 t to the power 4 upon 2, or 5 to the power 4 t to the power 4 upon 2, or it can also be written as 5 t to the power 4 upon 2. You can also write it 625 t to the power 4. Okay, so this way, this was the first part of question number 7. Let me explain you once again what I have done. I have made the negative power positive first of all, so 5 to the power 3 has gone up, t to the power 8 has gone up, t to the power 4 has come down. Then I make the prime factors of 25 and 10. 25 is written as 5 to the power 2, 10 is written as 5 into 2. Thereafter, laws of exponent in 5 and in t, 5 powers have been added, t powers have been subtracted. Thereafter, once again I have applied the laws of exponent in 5. So I got 5 to the power 5 minus 1 t to the power 4 upon 2. Hence 5 to the power 4 t to the power 4 can also be written as 5 to the power 5 t to the power 4 and can also be written as 625 t to the power 4 upon 2. So the same way is क्वेश्चन नंबर सेकंड, इसका सेकंड पार्ट भी बिल्कुल ऐसे ही है. आइए देखते हैं. What it is saying, 3 to the power minus 5 into 10 to the power minus 5 into 125 5 to the power minus 7 and 6 to the power minus. सबसे पहले नेगेटिव पावर पॉजिटिव, तो 3 नीचे, 10 नीचे, 5 ऊपर, 6 ऊपर. तो 5 to the power 7, 6 to the power 5, 125, 3 to the power 5 और 10 to the power. अब क्या, 6 के फैक्टर्स, 125 के फैक्टर्स और 10 के फैक्टर्स, तीनों के फैक्टर्स. ठीक है जी. तो 5 to the power 7, 6 will be written as 2 into 3 to the power 5, or 125 will be written as 5 to the power 3. 3 to the power 5 or 10 will be written as 2 into 5 to the power 5. Up, this is laws of exponent that if there is a combined power, it can be separated in both of them. So 5 to the power 7, 2 to the power 5, 3 to the power 5, 5 to the power 3, 3 to the power 5, 2 to the power 5 and 5 to the power 5. Now what to do? अब क्या करें? Laws of exponent can be applied in 5. 5 में laws of exponent लग रहा है. तो 5 to the power 7 plus 3, 2 to the power 5, 3 to the power 5. On the other hand, 3 to the power 5, 2 to the power 5 and 5 to the power 5. इसको एक बार प्लस करके देख लेते हैं, फिर दे लगाएंगे. 5 to the power 10, 2 to the power 5, 3 to the power 5. 5 को 5 के नीचे लिख लिया, 2 को 2 के नीचे और 3 को 3 के नीचे. Now the base is same. The base are in division, so power should be subtracted. So here I am subtracting 5 to the power 10 minus 5, 2 to the power 5 minus 5, 3 to the power 5 minus 5. What I got? 5 to the power 5, 2 to the power 0, 3 to the power 0. 3, 1, 2, 5 is 5 to the power 5, 2 to the power 0 is 1, 3 to the power 0 is 1, and hence the answer is 3, 1, 2, 5. So this way you will got the solution of this question. What I have done, let me explain you once again. I have made the negative powers positive. So 3 to the power minus 5 has come down and become positive. 10 to the power minus 5 has come down and has become positive. Similarly, 5 to the power minus 7 has gone up and 6 to the power minus 5 has gone up and become positive. So this way I have done here. Thereafter, I have made the factors of 6, 2, 3, 6, 125, 5 to the power 3, 10, 2 into 5. And then if it is a combined power, it will be distributed with both of them. So the same thing I have done, 5 to the power 7, 2 to the power 5, 3 to the power 5, 5 to the power 3, 3 to the power 5 into 2 to the power 5 into 5 to the power 5. What I have done now, look here, these are the same base and in multiplication, so power should be added, that I have added here. And rest thing are written like this, 7 plus 3, 10. उसके बाद मैंने क्या किया, base are in division, so powers will be subtracted. 10 minus 5, 5 minus 5, 5 minus 5. ये आ गया 5 to the power 5, 2 to the power 0, 3 to the power 0. 5 to the power 5 is 3125, 2 to the power 0 is 1, 3 to the power 0 is 1 is. So this way 3125 is the final answer. And with that, this of our exercise is complete. Complete your work and send me your homework till today evening. Okay? Take care, finish off your work and study sincerely.